So with it being such nice, hot, sunny weather today, we thought we'd take advantage of living so close to a big, beautiful lake. We have several really amazing lakes that are pretty close to where we live, so, you know, it feels a little bit stupid not to take advantage of it sometimes. And I thought with us coming down to this really scenic, beautiful place, it'd be a really good idea to try and get some drone footage. You know, those sweeping drone shots over a gorgeous lake. So on the way out here, we headed to my girlfriend's parents to pick up their drone. But as I thought about it, I thought I've never actually flown a drone before. Well, that's a bit of a lie. I got about 6 minutes of flight time over midsummer. And then the more I thought about it, the more I thought, is it really a good idea to fly a drone for the first time next to a lake? Flying a drone for the first time next to a lake is stupid, it's dangerous, and it's irresponsible, to be honest. But that being said, I am often all of those things, so I'm gonna go and fly this drone. I think I might rethink the sandals next time. Maybe not the smartest idea, really. Sandals, no water. Honestly, you would think I was an amateur or something. So after trekking up a pretty sizable hill, I found a nice little clearing. I had to climb up a few rocks and stuff, but there's no trees above me or anything, so I think this seems like a pretty good place. I should have definitely brought some water, though. Yeah, so all in all, I'd say that was a definite success. Obviously, I knew the very basics of drone piloting before I came up here. I didn't come into this completely blind. I didn't really dare to venture too far out, so I stuck around here. I stuck within about 50 meters. But yeah, definite success. I don't know how well you can see this view behind me, but it is absolutely stunning, honestly. So yeah, that's it for this video anyway. It was a bit of a different one, a bit of a silly one. So if you're interested in seeing more of Sweden, please do consider subscribing. Leave us a comment and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye-bye.